I'm here with the lovely Stephanie Lana, the local event organizer for Hemp History Week. And Stephanie, I have to say, you look gorgeous. I love what you're wearing.
Thank you so much. This is a hemp scarf from Livity and a beautiful dress from Vital Hemp, all made from hemp.
I would love if you could enrich all of our lives and tell us what Hemp History Week is about.
Thank you. Hemp History Week is a national grassroots organization dedicated to educating Americans about the many uses of industrial hemp.
If someone isn't here in LA to come to your event, how can we get involved if we live in a different part of the country?
Awesome. Anyone can get involved. Please go to hemphistoryweek.com. There's a link called Take Action. We ask you to write your senators. It's super easy. All you need is your name and your zip code. I promise it's quick and easy.
What are your top 3 reasons why you believe hemp should be legalized?
Awesome. Hemp was called a billion-dollar crop in 1938. So I would say the 3 most important things for me are bioplastics, preventing sea animals from harm in our oceans. Anything that can be made from plastic can be made from hemp. And also food. Hemp seeds are high in protein, excellent for vegetarians. And lastly, manufacturing. Currently, GM, Ford, Mercedes, BMW, they're all purchasing car hemp panels from the UK. So there's so much we can do here in the US with manufacturing, with bioplastics, and food.
Great. And just a reminder, when is Hemp History Week this year?
Hemp History Week is June 1st to the 7th, and the theme is Sow the Seed. And for our local event, the theme is Solutions for Prosperity in the USA.
Stephanie, thank you so much for all you do with the movement and for being just a wonderful hemptress. We love you.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Check out hemphistoryweek.com.